Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I'm going to be showing you how we did the installation. So we're going to show you the materials that we used and then how we went about installing that in our van. To begin with, we used foam board. Now the foam board we used was a 1/2 inch for the ceiling and the floor and then 2 inches for most of the walls and the doors. We then went on to use spray foam insulation. We put the foam board in first and then filled it in with spray foam insulation in any of the gaps. We did use some of the big gap as well as the small gap. So to give you a little more specifics on the foam board we used, the 1/2 inch foam board, what we used on the ceilings and on the floor, had an R value of 3, and then the 2 inch that we used on the walls and in the doors has an R value of 10. We use those to help fill in those gaps in the walls because as you saw our walls, it's curved, so it definitely helped us fill that in. Then we were able to take a spray foam insulation. Thankfully it was still warm enough then. We live in southern Missouri, so it has to be a certain temperature and it's cold now, but we use that to fill in all those gaps and cracks so that we wouldn't have any gaps or cracks in our insulation. So after we did the spray foam insulation and the foam board, I went in with Reflectix, a thermal barrier layer to keep the heat in our van. We did both sides, we cut out the windows so we could actually make window panels later on. So here you have it, all the insulation in, except for the ceiling, which is going to be covered in Reflectix as well. We also put it in the doors and then put foam board in there. So there you have it on how we did the installation in our van. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I would be happy to get back to you guys. Until next time, see you.